Hey guys, welcome to our channel HMS Tech Tip. Today we will show how we can block our browser notification. So to do this you just go to a browser. I am going to a browser and just go to the three dot on the right corner and go to settings and click privacy and safety and you will see site settings. Click on it. Here you can see we have two allowed notification website and this is H Super Tools and YouTube. So click on notification. Here you can see site can ask to send notification. Turn it off and here you can see you can put any address to block all types of notification from this site. So we are cancelling it. You can also allow any types of website you want. Let's go back. Then click on any of these and you will see notifications allow. Click block default and go back, then click another site and click allow and block. This is how you can block all your websites notification. We go back. Here you can see any of these websites are not allowed to give any notification. Here you can see notifications blocked. So this is how you can block any type of notification. So keep supporting us and subscribe us.